All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to yet another presentation from Moldex3D. Today's title is going to be Building Confidence in LSR Silicone Molding. And we're going to focus on design process optimization. And also, we have an example on the tooling side. So we'll cover the entire aspect of molding. And the fundamentals of these, LSR silicone, you can apply to any rubber. So if you folks are dealing with rubber, you'll have something to get out of this presentation as well. But yeah, if you're not aware of who we are as a company, we have 5,000 plus global enterprise clients, all over the place: automotive, medical, material, equipment supplier, electronic components, all over the place. So this basically shows them, the clients we have all across the globe. And when we talk about LSR molding, it's a very complicated process. There is a lot that goes inside the mold, and everything is happening simultaneously. For example, when the cold material is, moving inside the mold, it's trying to heat up. Its viscosity is changing. It's starting to cure. Simultaneously, it's exchanging heat with the mold. And its temperature is changing. If you have inserts that go inside your parts or your overmolding, that temperature is constantly changing. So everything is happening simultaneously, and we cannot see through our naked eyes. So that's why we run simulation to understand what exactly is going on inside of the mold. And these are the typical problems that we see in LSR world. Flashing is one of them. Air traps, unstable flow or jetting, where material just shoots from the gate. Imbalances, the viscosity of these material is lower. So we tend to see some imbalances. Sometimes short shorts. Uneven curing. Certain areas curing faster, certain areas curing late. Sometimes we run into voids. And nowadays with the LSR parts, especially on the medical side, we are seeing lot of shrinkage. Prediction being given a lot of importance, because clients are trying to understand how the LSR is shrinking. So that would be another one. But these are the typical issues that we run into. And when we see these kind of issues, what's the first thing we do? We try to fix it with the process, right? We call the process team. We try to understand, like, hey, when we see these kind of problems, is there any process out there that can help us reduce these issues?